Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a payment link in Revolut. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Tap on Transfers at the bottom of the screen. Tap New in the top right corner. Select Create Payment Link. From here, you can choose between Send Money, Request Money, or Create Pro Payment Link. For personal use, tap Request Money. Now, tap Request Specific Amount to choose your currency and enter the amount. Add a note if you like, then tap Create Link. You can now share the link directly and receive payments easily. And that's it. That's how to create a payment link in Revolut. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.